ngathi operator so hamba phela amaso esempeleni ngathi operator so mangashintsha mfike la ngithi before kuthatha ofari we started the way the spirit of God is leading us ukuthi sishumayele izwi because ngenza ngo12 kube nomuntu ozohamba we starting with the way abantu siba-offendekile so because ayikho into kamoya into esiyaziyo ama-programs and giftings in the into kamoya yikho into kamoya yinto engekho yanguza mampasa stofa into kamoya yinto engekho manje ngabamba into kamoya and into kamoya banjwa into eyi-1 you wanna call isolution kanto kamoya you wanna call manje ufuna ukwazi ukuthi ngenza into kamoya you wanna call into ebamba into kamoya ile yanto leyo bathi wanna call abantu aba-different abanye wanna call bayaphumela into kamoya baba umoya kafuna angeke umthole umoya lapho ekufelwa khona akabi khona umoya lapho ekufelwa khona esikufezela akekho umoya lapho ekufelwa khona lapho ekufelwa khona ungambali umoya because umoya uyakwazi ukufika even after 4 days after Lazarus abantu sebavala ama-chapter into kamoya mvuzo uLazarus ngoba lapho khona umoya failure can never be established. Don't tell ngoba you go too late, I go too late. Into kamoya it is right on time. That's why it is critical that ngibambe into kawana khona. Ngibambe into kawana khona. Yabona umdlalo sinayo it's a pity ukuthi akekho umdlalo se. Mofuna ukushaya kahle. Shaya into kawana khona. Mthemunye ayikho into esinayo mabrother. Into kawana khona. Yabona moshaya into baba moshaya into kawana khona. Moshaya into kawana